Okay, as an instructor now, I want to know if my students have submitted a test to the Grade Center, and I see in my Needs Attention module that there's been one submitted, and I can tell that that is student 3 has submitted a test. So to get at that, I can go down to the control panel and click on Needs Grading, which will show me that student 3 has submitted a test, and I can click right on the name there, student 3, which would bring the test up for me to grade. Or I could go to the full Grade Center and get at it that way as well, but this is just as quick. And here is their test, and it's that essay question that I need to evaluate. So here it is, and there is no point on the essay question yet until I put one in there. So here's what they had to say about the question: how has rock and roll influenced generations? Far beyond simply a music style, rock and roll influenced lifestyles, yada yada yada. That sounds pretty complex to me. I'm a little bit suspicious that maybe that student has copied and pasted. So I'm just going to take the first part of that line. I'm going to go to the internet and do a Google search on that particular paragraph. And sure enough, here it comes under the rock and roll Wikipedia. If I scroll down here to the section on cultural impact, there is basically the entire submission that the student gave me in their test. So that makes me go, how do you evaluate something like that? They pretty much copied and pasted without giving much of their own thought into that. I'll give them 2 out of 5 on that. They had the ingenuity on how to do some research on the topic, but it wasn't original. So I'm going to just now submit that, save and exit. And now when I go to the full Grade Center and scroll over to the column on rock and roll, I can see that that student got 22 out of 40 on their test. Not a great experience for them. Thank you.